Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create the table and drop the table. Okay, in the previous session, we have seen that how to create the database, database name. SQL tutorial is our database. So this command we will use to create the database, and then how to use that database, then use the command use database name, use SQL tutorial. And the show databases is the command that lists out all the databases in your SQL. Okay, and now we can drop the database also using the command drop database name. Now in this session we'll show how to create the table, how to drop the table. Okay, this is the very simple and short session. So let's start. First of all, we check that which database we are currently using. See, this is the highlighted one. We can know from here also, but by the command, we also know that which database we are using. So for that, use the command select database. Select database and then execute that one. Okay. So it will list out which database we are using. We are using SQL tutorial database. Now, next one, we create the table, one table. Okay. For that, create table. Create table, table name. Table name is employee, EMP. EMP, let's as it is EMP1. Okay, EMP1. And see, we'll mainly focus in this whole tutorial, I mean going forwards, we mainly focus on retrieval commands, that is the select command. So for that we are creating the table, and we will create some more table that will show the join operation and many more operation will show. So keeping in mind that we are creating the table employee, like department and customers, so we'll create such tables. But for now, for the demo point of view, how to create the table, we are creating the table. The table name is employee, and then we write the name of the columns like employee ID, EMP, the data type is int, and I'll make this employee ID is a primary key. Okay. So for that, primary key. Okay. Now after that, we'll mention name, and the size of the varchar is 255. Okay. And after that, we'll write designation 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 varchar, and the size of the varchar is 255. Okay, 255. And after that, we'll mention address, ADDRE address, varchar, CHAR varchar, and the size is 255 only. Okay, and last one is city, CITY city varchar, and the size of the varchar is 255. So see what we have missed. We have missed this one. So the now create table name, and these are the columns name, and just we have to execute that one. See, execute, and the table will be created. If we go to the database and refresh this one, then there is a employee EMP1 table is created, and see, this is the index is primary key. Okay, see, employee ID is PK, primary key. Here we can see all these things. Okay, and we did not mention any foreign key and triggers, and the columns are these are employee ID, name, designation, address, and city. So in this way we can create the table. Okay, so now if we want to show the structure of that table, so we'll use the very famous command SE select star from table name. Table name is EMP1. Okay, and now just execute that one. See, it will show the structure of that table: employee ID, name, designation, address, city. This is the way we can create the table. And now we can drop the table. So using the drop command, drop table, table name is emp1. Okay, so we can drop the this table by using this command. So see, the table has been dropped, but we will work in this table, so we'll create again. So just execute that one, and now the table is created. Okay, so this is the way we can create and drop the table. And in the next video, we'll show you how to insert the data into the table and some operation. Okay, so far we have discussed create the table and how to show the structure of that table and drop the table. So thanks for watching the video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.